Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you're doing well. My name is Rohit and today I'm here to show you around one of the best universities accommodation, and it's none other than Maclay Residences. So when you enter this place, on your left you'll have this cool common space for the students living here. So whenever you feel bored or stressed, you can come here to relax. Let me show you how this common room looks like. So the moment you enter, you have these vending machines where you can grab your snacks and drinks. Then you have this table tennis setup to keep you active. For the people who love sports, let me tell you, Residence organizes various events throughout the term and table tennis tournament is one of them. Next, for the readers, you'll have this cool collection of books which you can read. You'll also have board games. You have these computers as well to help you out in case of emergency. So now this is my personal favorite. There is this big TV which will help you watch sports and other channels. So whenever there were World Cup matches, we used to come down here to watch the matches. You also have this PlayStation attached. All you have to do is get the controllers from the office, which is right beside. This is the office from where you'll get support 24/7. You can get your board games issued from here. Then you have this printer to help you out whenever in need. Right beside the office, you have the laundry area where you'll have these washing machines and the dryer to keep you covered. In case you own a car, you have a lot of parking space here, and if you are a bike owner, there are a lot of bike sheds where you can park your bike safely. So, after a lot of requests, I have successfully convinced a resident for a room tour who has almost completed his entire term here at Maclay. Let's go and find out what you can expect out of a typical ensuite room here. Hello, Mr. Christie. How are you?
I'm okay.
We are here for a room tour. Can you help us with that?
Okay, come on in. Alright, so you just came through the entrance, the main door.
Okay.
That leads to the hallway.
Okay.
Right. And then now you're in my bedroom. Okay? Now, on my left side, this is where I do less of the work, because I have less time to sleep. And by the way, it's a king size bed, okay? Or the queen size, it's a queen size bed, okay? And then over this side is where I do most of my sleeping and most of my work. So this is my desk and my chair where I do my studies and stuff. And then I have, my overhead cabin that I keep on my books and stuff like that. And couple of family photos and stuff like that. And then, as you can see, I have a mirror here for more, to look at myself, because I'll know myself a lot, you know what I mean. And then we have this beautiful view on the outside. I can't tell you how much I love this view. And this big, like excessive window area. This right here, this board right here is where I do all my, it's empty now because I'm leaving, so it's where I do all my writing and keep, just to keep a track of what my day-to-day runnings and what I need to do. Of course, we have our heater because Scotland is quite cold. So we have our heater to keep us warm and stuff like that. And then we have our closet space, quite a lot of space here, and then we have a couple of drawers at the bottom here. And up top we have storage where we can keep our suitcases if we need, or any other storage. We have our little bedside table here. This is where I do keep all my phones and stuff like that, so I can easily grab them and get, whatever I need. We have more storage areas down here, so I keep all my shoes and stuff down here. And if this is not enough, we have another set of storage area. So we have loads of storage spaces, right? This is, I'm leaving, so I'm all packed up and ready to go. Again, and we have more storage over the corner here. So if you have additional suitcases, you can always put it here. And on top of here, you can keep any additional items that you have that you find important. One last thing, my bathroom. I have another suite room, by the way. This is my bathroom. This is where I do all my showering stuff and my brush over my teeth and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Yeah, and then let me take it to the kitchen. Would you like to see the kitchen?
Right on, Mr. Christie. Let's go.
If you could just follow me. This is the hallway. Welcome to my kitchen. So, it's a whole little living area and kitchen. So we have our kitchen area over here. You know, we have all our appliances at our disposal. You know, our microwave, we have our refrigerator, we have our oven, we have our stove. It's a 4-burner, right? We have loads of storage spaces, right? So we keep all our storage area right here. We keep where we can keep our food. We have down here where we keep all our food items. As you can see, it's filled with food, right? And then below here we keep our cleaning stuff, you know. And then when you're ready to eat, we have this excessive counter space where we can all sit, where we can sit at least 3 people. And in fact, you can sit at least 5 people because we can put chairs on ourselves. Over here is where we do water relaxation. So we have a 5-seater area here where we watch movies sometimes, you know, just chill and chat, you know, talk about our day, talk about things that we didn't like and things that we liked, you know, about what we are going to be doing moving forward and stuff like that. And then, of course, we have another excessive view, you know, this panoramic view of bits and pieces of Glasgow, right? And then we have this area here, it's called an SWG, it's called SWG3. Alright, and then we have our heater, it's a cold Onit or PT style heater we have there, and our cleaning stuff and our bins, of course. So you have a good sized kitchen and living room for at least 3 people, 3 to 5 people in fact. So it's quite a good and big space for everybody. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Christie. Thank you.
Yeah, 2 tips I have for international students is the moment you get here, start networking, start making friends, because everybody's new here, everybody's trying to figure it out. You know, you're here, you're going to be figuring it out as well. So just make as many friends as you possibly can, because in the end you will need them. You know, the second tip from me is make use of the accommodation resources. We have loads of resources. We have side posting where we have residence life assistants. We have, you know, where you can call them 24 hours to talk about any issue that you may have. So use our accommodation services and resources.
So that was it from my side. Hope you liked it. Maclay Residence is ready to welcome you with open arms. Wishing you all the best for your term time. See you around.